Hi everyone, welcome to the third video of MySQL tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss the basic terms used in MySQL. We will explore on creating databases in MySQL. So let's get started. Let's see what is data. Data is a collection of facts, figures, or values that convey information. Example, text, numbers, images, etc. Next, what is database and database management system? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data. A database is usually controlled by a database management system or DBMS. There are different types of databases available, such as hierarchical, relational, non-relational, or NoSQL, etc. Next term is what is relational database. A relational database or RDB is a collective set of multiple datasets organized by tables, records, and columns. Next term is RDBMS. A system used to maintain relational databases is a relational database management system or RDBMS. Next, what is SQL? SQL is a language that programmers use to create, modify, and extract data from the relational databases and to control user access to the database. Now let's start MySQL. MySQL is an open source relational database management system or RDBMS. Its name is a combination of My, the name of co-founder Michael Windenius' daughter My, and SQL means structured query language. MySQL keywords are not case sensitive. We will write queries to perform multiple database operations. We need to terminate the queries with semicolon. In the previous tutorial, we have installed MySQL on Windows. If you have not done the setup, you can go through the previous tutorial. I will put the link in the description. In MySQL, we will use tables to store the data. Multiple tables can be kept under a single database, so database will behave like a container to store multiple tables. To create a database, we will use create database statement. Example, create database testDB. We can create multiple databases. Let's create some more databases. Create database collegedb, create database schooldb, to see the databases we created, we can use the query show databases. If we want to delete or drop an existing database, we can use the drop database statement. The syntax is drop database, database name. Example, drop database testDB. Let's use collegedb. So the query for this will be use collegedb. If we want to check which database is being used currently, then we can use the query as select database. The database function returns the name of the current database. If there is no current database, this function returns null or empty. In this video, we discussed following queries. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss more about the tables. Thanks for watching.